Do you know May 29th is celebrated as the International Day of UN Peacekeepers, United Nations Peacekeepers. Observing under the theme The Future of Peacekeeping, this year's 2025 International Day looks at the invaluable contributions made by the military, civilian and police UN peacekeeping missions over the last 8 decades. Now coming to the background of this day, on May 29th, 1948, the first UN peacekeeping mission named United Nations True Supervision Organization began its operations in the Palestine. Then, considering this move, the United Nations General Assembly through its resolution 57/129 designated this 29th as the International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers. On this day, we pay tribute to the professionalism, commitment and courage of all the personnel who are serving under the United Nations flag, and also honor the memory of the personnel who lost their lives while serving for the cause of peace. Also, on this day every year, the United Nations Secretary General at the United Nations headquarters in New York presides over this ceremony for honoring the personnel who lost their lives in these peacekeeping missions. In addition, he also presents the Dag Hammarskjöld Award to the personnel who lost their lives while serving under the United flag during the preceding year. And this year's International Day of United Nations Peacekeeping have a special significance for India, as 2 Indian peacekeepers named Brigadier General Amitabh Jha and Havildar Sanjay Singh, who lost their lives while serving under the United Nations flag, will be honored posthumously the Dag Hammarskjöld Medal. Now, who are these United Nations peacekeepers? The peacekeepers are members of military, civilian and police personnel comes from the every member state of the United Nations to serve under the United Nations flag for restoring the world peace and order. Today, there are more than 68,000 peacekeepers serving under the 11 United Nations peacekeeping missions. And India is the 4th largest contributor of uniformed personnel to the United Nations peacekeeping missions.